pastry to good use, and we're gonna make some savory pastries with these camembert, or even you can use some brie. And then over here we have zucchini, potatoes, onions, some tomatoes, and these asparagus. Let's get to work. Part right here, so if you kind of test it, it will break right where it's nice and tender. So we're gonna do that and put them quickly into some boiling water. For just a few seconds, we're going to put the asparagus in here. Although these potatoes have been sliced very thinly, in the same water, we're going to dunk them in real quick. The water is just a little bit green from the asparagus, and these will have to stay in for, very, very short amount of time. I'm just gonna give them a little head start. I already sauteed the onions, and in the same pan, we're also gonna quickly put these zucchini in, just to, again, give them a little head start. We're going to add just a little bit of garlic to them. As for the asparagus, we're going to salt them just a bit. Some olive oil, fresh thyme. Give it a quick toss, and also a few hot pepper flakes. A little heat never hurts. And these are ready. Now, just a few slices of this cheese. This way. This is some camembert. Lightly dust the work surface and put a puff pastry down, and then immediately fold it in half this way. And with my knife, we're going to cut it almost up to the top, not all the way. And we'll do the same thing over here. Once again, not cutting it all the way to the top, just leaving a nice little border like that. I'm going to open it up, and the parts where it's open, you see here it's still sealed, but here it's not. So we're going to bring this over just like so, and this other part over this way. And I'm going to press it down and fill it. Now comes the fun part. Let's get some of this cheese. So this definitely will not be a diet food, but it's going to be an incredibly delicious food. Savory pastry, good for any occasion. Let's do a little bit more. And now I'm going to layer it with all this beautiful zucchini that has barely been sauteed with some garlic. Of these onions right on top, slices of potatoes. I'm going to try to fan them on there. And now to top it off with these cherry tomatoes, another little bit of cayenne pepper, and just a bit of salt for the potatoes. This one instead, we've already put the cheese and the onions on top. Now we're just going to put the potatoes kind of haphazardly on here, just because we're going to cover them up with the asparagus. Just a little salt and a few hot pepper flakes. And now, since the eye has a great importance when you eat, things need to be looking nice for the eye, we're going to fan these guys out like this and go all the way around. Don't worry about these stems, these will make a great risotto. Now, to top it off, we're going to put these cherry tomatoes like this, and we're going to drizzle everything with just a little bit of olive oil. Same over here. These guys are ready to go into the oven. The pastries are finally going in. You can see the coals in the very back. You see them on the left side. We're going to place these guys in and close the door. I believe time is up, and our savory pastries can come out. Oh, mama, look at these. Amazing. pastries necessarily need to be sweet. Look at these savory ones. I'm gonna add a little sprig of thyme right on top. It is time to cut into one of them. We're gonna start up with the asparagus one. And this is a nice crunch. I'm gonna cut a square out. And here is our first portion. Look how gorgeous it is. Let's see, I might have to cut it just a tad more. Here. There we go. Buon appetito!